Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to turn off autoplay on band. When autoplay is on band, then another related video will automatically play after the video ends. To turn off this feature, first open your band application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to home. Now tap on your profile on top right. Then tap on settings option. Then here you can see all your settings. Now tap on photo and video option. With this, tap on autoplay option down video. As you can see here, my autoplay is on. Now you can tap on autoplay off option. With this, your autoplay feature will be turned off. Similarly, you can customize your autoplay option by tapping on Wi-Fi only. With this, your autoplay will be turned on only when your mobile phone is connected to your Wi-Fi. If you don't want your autoplay to be on when there is Wi-Fi, then you can tap on autoplay off option. With this, your autoplay option will be directly closed off. Then your videos won't be automatically played. This is how we can turn off autoplay on band. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.